video will show how to use the Data Editor tool. Data above 95% coverage is automatically processed with default settings within PCT. However, if further editing is required, the Data Editor tool contains the filters needed to do so. Begin by navigating to the tool. Select Date and Operation Type filters and select the desired field. You can select what original layer type you would like to be displayed. The processed layer will be displayed on the right. The filters are shown on the left. Both downsampling and sort are applied automatically. Data shift moves data points to account for time and distance inside the machine from the header to the mass flow sensor. Distance shift moves raw data points by a set distance to create new data points. For example, distance from the tractor to the back of a planter. A positive factor will move the data points to the left, and a negative factor will move the data points to the right. Overlap removes overlapping points to clean up the raw data set. Pass clip trims the ends of passes to remove bad data points from the field edge. Sensor drift adjusts the data based on sensor drift, often used in EM sensors, cotton yield monitors, and some grains that cause sensor buildup. Adjust add adjusts map data values based on the difference in actual values to normalize the map. Adjust multiply adjusts the map data values based on a factor derived from actual values. For example, when cotton yields are lower than the raw data to prevent the creation of negative values. Min-max removes outliers from raw data to create a better average across the field. Calibration is used to recalibrate or adjust multiple machines based on a number of attributes. You can also download files into other advanced editing tools and replace them. SmartCal is used for John Deere Active Yield. MoistureCal normalizes moisture data points, useful when moisture sensors drift. MachineCal balances multiple machines. Machine name allows you to recalibrate to a certain machine. SmartBal is used for cotton yield. By and then allow recalibration based on any other attribute. Type uses different statistics to recalibrate. Median is typically the best, but you can choose whichever looks best. For min, max, and standard deviation min-max, it is best to set a min-max in the min-max filter as well as the calibration filters, as recalibration may adjust some values below 0. Link cotton calibration has specific settings for link cotton data. Variety allows you to apply a specific variety to the field. Delete by area, edit by area, multiply by area, and create yield trial are all filters which function off of a drawing operation. To use these tools, click the pencil button and draw a polygon around the area which you would like to edit. Double-click to close the polygon. Delete by area allows you to delete specific areas with a drawing tool. Edit by area allows you to change an attribute in a specific area. Multiply by area allows you to adjust an attribute value for a specific area. And create yield trial allows you to create yield trials within Data Editor. To apply the filters, select the Apply button at either the top or bottom of the filters pane. To adjust the order of the filters, use the arrows located in the top right of the filters. You can view the statistics, histogram, and legend of each layer. The Layers tab allows you to view and create additional layers based on the original data. The Details tab contains information about the data and allows you to download files. The Advanced tab contains advanced data editing options. In the Advanced tab, you can bulk edit variety names and product names.